venez vous amuser avec nous aussi le 14 juillet. Voilà, bonne soirée à tous et à toutes.
This is Friday night dinner in Ayak, and we're going to come along here and do this every Friday evening until September. And this is our route home. So we've just had a really nice evening at the food stalls, and you just take your own plate and cutlery and you choose what you want to eat from the stalls, and then you eat it, and then you might chat to some neighbours, and then when you're ready you just cycle home. And it's lovely. It's been a really nice evening, and I'm absolutely full of paella and beer. Lovely. Anyway, thanks for watching. A bientôt.